What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best George Foreman grills in 2022. There's a lot of choice for George Foreman grills. The George Foreman Grill is a countertop, contact grill manufactured by Spectrum Brands. It is promoted by former heavyweight boxing champion George Foreman, and has been a top-selling indoor electric grill. More than 100 million grills have been sold worldwide. George Foreman grills have been a popular choice for outdoor cooking for years. They are known for their even cooking surface and ability to cook food quickly. These grills are also very easy to clean, which is an important consideration for any grill. There are many different models available on the market, so it can be difficult to decide which one is the best for you. In this article, we will review the top 5 George Foreman grills and help you decide which one is the best for your needs. We'll help you understand what to look for when choosing a grill, and give you tips on how to get the most out of your grill. So whether you're looking for a George Foreman grill to take on your next camping trip or just want an easy way to cook burgers at home, we've got you covered. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. George Foreman 5 Serving. The George Foreman Classic Plate Grill is a great choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and clean grill. The non-stick coating means that there will be very little cleanup required after cooking, and the patented slope design helps to get rid of any excess fat or grease. This grill can cook up to 5 servings in no time, making it perfect for larger families or groups. The power indicator and ready indicator lights make it easy to see when the grill is finished cooking, and the cord wrap and vertical storage help to keep your countertop tidy. It is a great grill for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and convenient option when it comes to grilling. So whether you're cooking for one or entertaining a crowd, the George Foreman 5 Serving Grill is sure to make mealtime a breeze. Specification and features. Dimensions: inches, 4.96 by 13.46 by 13.15. Weight: 4.8 pounds. Style: adjustable. Material: plastic. Servings: 5. Others: non-stick coating, power indicator light. Reasons to buy: non-stick surface for easy cleaning. Patented slope design removes excess fat and grease. Power and ready indicator lights. Cord wrap and vertical storage for tidy countertops. Reasons to avoid: heat plates are not removable. In our opinion, the George Foreman Classic Plate Grill is the best choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use grill. Non-stick coating allows for easy cleanup. Just wipe away any mess, and you're ready to cook your next meal. And with the George Foreman name, you know you're getting a quality grill that will last for years to come. So why wait? Number 2. George Foreman 4 Serving. The George Foreman GRP 360B grill is among the best grills on the market. Thanks to its exclusive fat-removing design and advanced non-stick coating, this grill is perfect for cooking various meats and vegetables, and cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe removable plates. If you're looking for a high-quality grill that will make healthy cooking easier than ever, the George Foreman GRP 360B is the perfect option. This grill is also great for panini presses, thanks to its adjustable floating hinge. You can't go wrong with the George Foreman GRP 360B grill. Specification and features. Dimensions: 6.5 by 12.25 by 13.19 inches. Weight: 6.45 pounds. Style: adjustable. Material: plastic. Color: black, red, platinum. Others: adjustable floating hinge, removable plates. Serving: 4. Reasons to buy: fat removing design, advanced non-stick coating, dishwasher safe removable plates, adjustable floating hinge. Reasons to avoid: the top burner does not heat enough. In our opinion, the George Foreman GRP 360B grill is perfect for anyone who wants an easy-to-use grill that can cook various foods. This grill is easy to clean, thanks to the dishwasher safe removable plates. Number 3. 12 plus servings George Foreman Silver. If you're looking for an indoor/outdoor grill that is easy to use and produces great results, the George Foreman 12 Plus Servings Electric Grill is a good choice. This grill has a non-stick coating that is durable and easy to clean, and it doesn't require butter or oil. The adjustable temperature control lets you choose from 5 heat settings, and the apartment-approved design means that your landlord will love it as much as you do. This grill is a great choice for anyone who wants to enjoy the benefits of grilling without the hassle of charcoal, propane, or flare-ups. The non-stick coating is durable and easy to clean, and the temperature probe lets you choose from 5 heat settings to get the best results on any kind of food. Specification and features. Dimensions: 22.2 by 17.9 by 13 inches. Weight: 21 pounds. Serving: 12. Material: metal. Others: adjustable temperature control, non-stick coating. Reasons to buy: non-stick coating is durable and easy to clean. The temperature probe lets you choose from 5 heat settings. Apartment approved design. Easy to remove stand. Reasons to avoid: it took longer to preheat than expected, in our opinion. This grill has an apartment approved design, means that your landlord will love this grill just as much as you do, and the easy to remove stand takes you from patio to countertop in no time. Whether you're grilling for 1 or 12, the George Foreman 12 Plus Servings Electric Grill is a great choice. Number 4. George Foreman GR10B. This George Foreman grill is ideal for small apartments and couples. It has a new space-saving design and an advanced George Tough non-stick coating. The adjustable grilling angle and exclusive fat-removing slope make it easy to remove excess fat from your meals. This grill is simple to use and clean, making it a great option for healthy and delicious meals. If you're tight on countertop space, the George Foreman GRS040B grill is a great option. It can fit 2 servings of your grilled favorites, and it's perfect for small apartments and couples. The new space-saving design and advanced George Tough non-stick coating make this grill a great option for healthy and delicious meals. The adjustable grilling angle and exclusive fat-removing slope make it easy to remove excess fat from your meals. This grill is simple to use and clean, making it a great option for healthy and delicious meals. Thanks to the George Foreman GRS040B, you can enjoy all your favorite grilled foods without taking up a lot of space. Specification and features. Dimensions: 10.49 by 3.1 by 7.53 inches. Weight: 3.61 pounds. Style: adjustable. Material: plastic. Servings: 2. Others: removable plates, fat removing slope. Reasons to buy: new space-saving design, advanced George Tough non-stick coating, adjustable grilling angle, exclusive fat removing slope, easy to use and clean. Reasons to avoid: non-stick coating scraped off. In our opinion, this particular model has the best features of any George Foreman grill on the market. If you're looking for a small and compact grill that is easy to use and produces great results, the George Foreman GRS040B is a perfect choice. Number 5. George Foreman Electric Indoor Grill. If you're looking for a grill that can do it all, then the George Foreman GRP4842MB Multi-Plate Evolve Grill is the perfect choice for you. This grill comes with both ceramic grill/panini plates and non-stick waffle plates, so you can expand your culinary horizons and try new things. And with a digital timer and temperature controls, it's easy to get perfectly cooked food every time. Plus, the 500 degrees Fahrenheit searing function is great for getting that perfect crust on your grilled meats, and when it's time to clean up, the removable grill plates are dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. So if you're looking for a versatile and easy to use grill, the George Foreman GRP4842MB Evolve Grill is the perfect choice for you. Specification and features. Dimensions: 11 by 16.25 by 14.1 inches. Weight: 6 pounds. Style: adjustable. Material: non-stick. Others: removable plates, digital timer, and temperature controls. Reasons to buy: comes with both ceramic and non-stick waffle plates, digital timer, and temperature controls. 500 degrees Fahrenheit searing function for the perfect crust. Removable grill plates are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid: not completely non-stick, in our opinion. The George Foreman GRP 4842MB Evolve grill is the best grill on the market. It's versatile, easy to use, and produces perfectly cooked food every time. If you're looking for a grill that can do it all, this is the one for you. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.